Let's talk about the game changer in crypto you might be missing. Layer 2 solutions. If you've ever paid sky-high Ethereum gas fees, you know the problem. Transactions can be slow and expensive. Layer 2s or L2s are like express highways on top of Ethereum, making transactions faster and cheaper without sacrificing security. They're not just upgrades, they're the key to mass crypto adoption, enabling everything from gaming to DeFi at scale. Today, we'll break down the top Layer 2 projects: Arbitrum, ARB, Optimism, OP, and zkSync. What makes them unique and why they matter for your portfolio. Grab a coffee and let's dive in. Understanding these could be your smartest move this year. First up, Arbitrum and its ARB token, the current heavyweight in Layer 2. Arbitrum has quickly risen to prominence in the blockchain space, becoming a go-to solution for scaling Ethereum. Its innovative approach and robust technology have set it apart from other Layer 2 solutions. Arbitrum leads in total value locked, a direct sign of trust and adoption. This metric is crucial as it indicates the amount of capital being secured within the network, reflecting the confidence users and developers have in its capabilities. Its secret? Optimistic rollups, bundling transactions and assuming they're valid, only checking if someone challenges them. This method significantly reduces the computational load on the network, making transactions faster and cheaper. This makes Arbitrum fast, cheap, and secure, attracting top DeFi projects like GMX and Radiant Capital. These projects benefit from the lower fees and higher throughput, enabling them to offer better services to their users. Developers love it. Full Ethereum compatibility means they can move apps over with almost no changes. This seamless integration allows for a smoother transition and reduces the friction typically associated with adopting new technologies. The ARB token gives holders governance power, voting on upgrades, spending, and the project's future. This decentralized approach ensures that the community has a say in the direction of the project, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. As Arbitrum grows, there's real potential for ARB holders to share in network revenue, turning it from a governance token into a yield-bearing asset. This added incentive could drive further adoption and investment in the network. The off-chain labs team behind Arbitrum is top-tier, consistently delivering on their roadmap. Their expertise and commitment to innovation have been key factors in Arbitrum's success. They're not standing still. Arbitrum Nova targets gaming and social apps, and new tools like Stylus open the door for more developers. This expansion into new verticals demonstrates their vision for a versatile and comprehensive Layer 2 solution. The network effect is massive. More projects bring more users, which brings even more projects. This virtuous cycle strengthens the ecosystem, making it more resilient and attractive to new participants. Arbitrum's first-mover advantage and deep ecosystem make it hard to displace. Being an early leader in the Layer 2 space has allowed it to build a robust infrastructure and a loyal user base. Risks exist, crypto is volatile and competition fierce, but Arbitrum's lead is real. Staying ahead in this fast-paced environment requires continuous innovation and adaptation. For September, I'm watching ARB's TVL, user growth, and DAO proposals closely. These metrics will provide insights into the network's health and its ability to sustain its growth trajectory. It's not a meme coin, it's core infrastructure for the future of decentralized apps. Arbitrum's technology is foundational, supporting a wide range of applications and use cases. If you're serious about crypto, having exposure to the leading Layer 2 is almost a must. Diversifying your portfolio with strong Layer 2 solutions can provide stability and growth potential. Right now, that's Arbitrum's strong tech, a thriving ecosystem, and real momentum. The combination of these factors makes it a compelling choice for both developers and investors. It's delivering value today, not just promising it for tomorrow. The tangible benefits and real-world applications of Arbitrum are evident, making it a standout in the Layer 2 landscape. That's why it's at the top of my Layer 2 watchlist. Keeping an eye on Arbitrum could provide valuable insights and opportunities in the ever-evolving crypto space. Next, let's dive into Optimism and its OP token. A project that's not just another Layer 2 but a bold experiment in scaling Ethereum and reimagining how blockchains can work together. Optimism is often seen as Arbitrum's biggest rival, but it's more than just competition. While both use optimistic rollups to scale Ethereum, their philosophies and long-term goals are quite different. Optimism's big idea is the Superchain, a vision for a vast, interconnected network of Layer 2s that can operate seamlessly together. This is made possible by the OP stack, a modular open-source toolkit that lets anyone build their own Layer 2 chain with shared standards and infrastructure. Imagine the Superchain like a national highway system. Each Layer 2 is a city, and the OP stack is the set of rules and roads connecting them all, making travel and trade frictionless. Already, major projects like Coinbase's Base, WorldCoin, and Zora have joined the Superchain, linking up to share security, liquidity, and even users. Thanks to the OP stack, launching a new Layer 2 is as easy as spinning up a website. Developers can focus on innovation, not infrastructure. Every new chain instantly becomes part of the Superchain, benefiting from shared resources and contributing to the network's overall strength. This creates a powerful, scalable ecosystem where growth is exponential. Each new project adds value, users, and liquidity to the entire network. The more chains that join, the more valuable the Superchain becomes, creating a positive feedback loop of innovation and adoption. At the heart of this ecosystem are OP token holders, who govern the Optimism Collective, a decentralized community that steers the project's direction. The collective earns revenue from every Superchain member, collecting fees and distributing value back to the community. That means holding OP isn't just a bet on one chain, it's a stake in the entire Superchain's growth. Revenue sharing is already live, and the model is working. As more projects join, the value flowing to OP holders increases, making the token more attractive as the ecosystem expands. But Optimism isn't just about profit. It's also a pioneer in funding public goods, supporting developers, researchers, and creators who build tools and infrastructure for everyone. Builders who contribute to the ecosystem are rewarded, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and community support. The result is a culture of collaboration and experimentation that attracts top talent from across the crypto world, fueling even more growth. The rivalry with Arbitrum is like Apple versus Microsoft, two giants with different strategies both pushing the boundaries of what's possible in blockchain scaling. While Arbitrum focuses on technical performance and unique features, Optimism's open, franchise-like model is all about rapid expansion and ease of use. The OP stack's open-source nature means anyone can build, customize, and launch their own chain, making the Superchain easy to scale and understand. For users, the experience is seamless. Fast, cheap transactions power everything from DeFi protocols to NFT marketplaces, making crypto accessible to all. In September, I'm closely tracking Superchain growth, new project launches, and revenue metrics to see how this experiment is playing out in real time. The pace of innovation is rapid, and every new project adds to the network's momentum. Of course, there are risks, technical challenges, security concerns, and fierce competition from other Layer 2s and scaling solutions. But the Optimism team is experienced, well-funded, and deeply committed to their vision. The Superchain narrative is one of the most compelling in crypto, a future where blockchains work together, not in silos, unlocking new possibilities for everyone. Holding OP is a bet on this collaborative, interconnected future for Ethereum scaling, where value and innovation flow freely across chains. With Base's explosive user growth and a transparent, sustainable economic model, the Superchain is quickly becoming a force to watch. For anyone interested in the future of Ethereum, OP is a core Layer 2 play, one that could define the next era of blockchain innovation. Now, let's shift our focus to zkSync, the next frontier in blockchain scaling, built on the innovative foundation of zero-knowledge rollups, or zk rollups. This technology is rapidly gaining attention as a game-changer for the entire crypto ecosystem, promising to solve some of the biggest challenges facing blockchains today. Unlike optimistic rollups, which rely on a waiting period and potential disputes to ensure transaction validity, zk rollups use advanced cryptography to instantly prove that every transaction is correct. This means there's no need to wait for challenge windows or worry about fraud proofs. Everything is verified mathematically right away. The result? Withdrawals are processed much faster, users enjoy a higher level of security, and capital can move more efficiently across the network. For traders, investors, and developers, this translates to a smoother, more reliable experience with fewer delays and risks. But there's a major technical challenge: making zk rollups fully compatible with Ethereum's EVM, the engine that powers most smart contracts. This is where zkSync's team, Matter Labs, has made a breakthrough with zk EVM, allowing developers to run existing Ethereum code seamlessly on zkSync. Thanks to this compatibility, developers can deploy their existing Ethereum apps on zkSync with minimal changes, unlocking the benefits of low fees and massive scalability. This opens the door for a new wave of decentralized applications and services that can reach more users than ever before. As of now, there's no zkSync token in circulation, but the community is buzzing with anticipation. A token launch is expected soon, and it's widely believed that early users will be rewarded with a significant airdrop, similar to what we've seen with other major Layer 2 projects. To maximize your chances of qualifying for this airdrop, it's important to actively use zkSync. Bridge your funds, swap tokens, provide liquidity, mint NFTs, and explore the growing ecosystem of dApps. The more you interact, the better your chances of being recognized as an early adopter. We've seen how early participation paid off with Arbitrum and Optimism, where users received valuable airdrops just for being active on the network. zkSync could follow a similar path, making now the perfect time to get involved. The zkSync ecosystem is expanding at a rapid pace, with new projects, protocols, and users joining every week. From DeFi to NFTs to gaming, zkSync is attracting builders from across the crypto space, all eager to leverage its speed and efficiency. Matter Labs, the team behind zkSync, is well-funded and highly respected in the industry. Their vision and technical expertise are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with zero-knowledge technology, setting new standards for security and scalability. One of zkSync's most exciting features is account abstraction, which makes crypto wallets more user-friendly and secure. With features like social recovery and flexible permissions, zkSync is paving the way for mainstream adoption by making crypto easier for everyone. Of course, there are still risks. The technology is cutting edge and continues to be tested in real-world conditions. Plus, competition among Layer 2 solutions is fierce, with many teams racing to capture market share and user attention. Airdrop farming has become increasingly popular, which means more people are competing for rewards. While this could lead to smaller individual payouts, the overall opportunity remains massive, especially for those who are proactive and strategic. For September, my personal zkSync strategy is to stay as active as possible, using dApps, providing liquidity, and keeping a close eye on news about the token launch. Staying informed and engaged is key to maximizing your potential rewards. zk rollups are shaping up to be the future of Layer 2 scaling. They offer a unique combination of low costs, lightning-fast transactions, robust security, and a user experience that's finally accessible to everyone, not just crypto experts. By getting involved with zkSync now, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of this technological shift, ready to benefit from the next wave of blockchain innovation. While Arbitrum and Optimism are currently leading the Layer 2 race, zkSync's unique technology and rapid growth could make it tomorrow's game changer, potentially overtaking its competitors in both adoption and impact. In crypto, the biggest opportunities often come from betting on the future. By understanding and engaging with zkSync and zero-knowledge technology today, you're setting yourself up to capture the rewards of tomorrow's blockchain revolution. So, those are the 3 Layer 2 projects to watch: Arbitrum, Optimism, and zkSync. Each offers a unique way to tap into Ethereum's explosive growth. Don't ignore this sector. It's not about picking one winner. All 3 could thrive, each serving different needs. Do your own research, join their communities, and most importantly, use the networks yourself. First-hand experience is invaluable. Bridge funds, try dApps, and see the future of finance in action. Stay curious, stay informed, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.